Good evening, everyone. Welcome to today's session of the training. So I just want to take us quickly on how to install the server we're going to use for our training. So the server gives us access to be able to use the different softwares we need for making our websites without coding. So the server gives us the ability to be able to do that offline without having to buy the online server. Though it's so beneficial if you're able to get or purchase the online server, which I in future videos I'll show us how to navigate it on an online server. So the server we're going to use is XAMPP. There is XAMPP, there is MAMP, there is WAMP. But we're going to use XAMPP. XAMPP is the most used and easily accessible server to use. It is cross-platform. So to download XAMPP on your system, just go to your browser, then type download XAMPP. Download XAMPP for Windows. If you are using Mac, you can search for that of Mac too. But if you when your search result comes up, check the first results that is showing Apache Friends, because they are the one that actually made the XAMPP server. So I'm now on the page. So if you look at my screen here, you'll see PHP 8.0.30, 8.1 and so on. And you see that of XAMPP for Linux. For anyone of you that is using Linux operating system, we have that for Mac operating system. So I will implore you to download that of version 8.1.25. so you click on download 64-bit. Please note, this video covers only the systems that are using 64-bit, and I'm talking in terms of Windows. For Windows, there's 32-bit and 64-bit. If there's any of us that is using 32-bit and is not able to download it, because you won't be able to download it actually, because 64-bit softwares won't work on 32-bit, though 32-bit softwares can work on a 64-bit system. So if you have that challenge, just let me know in the group, and let me know. I might make another video on how to install on 64-bit operating system. So I'm done with my system is done with the download. As you see here, it is almost 150 MB file. So I'm going to open it here. I've installed it already though. But I just have to show you guys how to download it. So I'll just show you the process to a point, but I won't finish it because I have the server already on my system. So I'll click on yes. After clicking on the file that was downloaded, you can go to your downloads folder. You see the double click on it, you will come to this interface here for Windows, and I think Mac too should be the same. So you click on yes and you want to install it. Then it's loading. So we have this. So this is the interface that you're expecting. To ask this question, then click on OK. Then we have this welcome to XAMPP setup wizard. Click on next. I won't be able to go further than this because I have the server installed on my system already. And one thing about the server is when you have XAMPP on your folder already, you can't install another until you delete the XAMPP folder which is on your system already, and I'll show you that in a moment so you can see what I'm talking about. So when I click on my folder here, I'll go to local disk, double click on it. You see this folder called XAMPP here. This is the folder installed or created whenever you install XAMPP software. So may I have it already? If I come here and I click on next, it will tell me that the selected folder is not empty. Please select a different folder, so I won't be able to continue. But for every one of you, I don't expect you to have that folder yet, except you might have knowledge before of using XAMPP. So if not, everything should go without any issues. Just click on next. Then the installation will start, and should be done with the installation, ready to continue with the training. Thank you very much, and I wish you peace.